Hey, welcome to a new video. So in today's video, I'm doing an anti-Valentine's Day makeup look. It's going to be a bit alternative, a bit edgy, which is more my style. That's why I'm looking a little bit crazy right now. I've done my base makeup and my brows. I also just chucked my hair up in a bun because I'm going to be putting on a wig at the end of this video. So I didn't see any point in actually doing anything to it. But let's get started. Okay, I've zoomed you guys in. This angle is terrifying. I swear my makeup tutorials don't usually look this intense. I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing, so. Also, any inspo pics I use, I'm going to be leaving the credits to the creators in the description, so make sure you go and check them out. But for eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using my Lisa Frank palette. I just want a bright pink eyeshadow. So to start with, I'm just going to put the pigment all over my eyelid and then blend it out. We just want to make like a pink sort of smoky blended eye look at the moment, and then we'll go in with the graphic liner afterwards. So I'm just laying that all over my eyelid, and usually with colored eyeshadows you kind of need to build them up a little bit. Also, I know this particular eyeshadow stains, so this is going to be really fun to try and remove later. So once I'm happy with the pigment, I'm just going to blend out the edges. And we also want to bring it under our eye as well. Okay, now I'm going to do the same to the other eye. Okay, now we're going to move on to the graphic liner. Okay, so I'm going to kind of map out where I want it. So I want to go pretty high up on the wing. I also want to do like a fox eye sort of corner. I'm just following my natural eye shape. And then I'm going to create like a little hook on the wing part. And then I'm going to do a heart right like in the, where it like curves. Like that. I don't even know if you can see that on camera, hopefully you can. Then I'm going to do another line up the top. It's so hard to explain, but you'll see it's easier to show you rather than explain it. Okay, now I'm going to add another little heart just above that line that we just created. That's so cute, but I just realized now I have to try and recreate this on the other eye, which is not going to be fun. Okay, so this is how we're currently looking. It's a little bit messy, but I feel like that's why I like alternative makeup so much. You can just make it messy, it doesn't really matter. This eye is definitely better because I did this with my left hand, which isn't my dominant hand, so this eye we're just going to ignore, but this eye I think looks the best. So now I also just want to quickly add a little bit of eyeshadow, just going down, almost as if I was like crying my eyeshadow around a little bit. I just feel like that's more like anti-Valentines. You know, maybe we got our heart broken or something and we've been crying. I just feel like that's like a really cool look. And then I'm going to draw like a love heart over the top of that. So I'm going to take the pink eyeshadow again and just drop it down the center and just sort of make it into like a triangle kind of shape. And then I'm just going to add some more eyeliner. I want to do a couple of flicks down the bottom to kind of look like big kind of eyelashes. Okay, and this is how we're looking. I think I'm going to stop here with the eyeliner. I'm now going to do my waterline. I'm just going to put a black in. God, my eyes are watering. Okay, now I'm going to put on some mascara and some lashes. Okay, while the lashes are drying, I'm going to add some lipstick. I'm going to go in with a black just because I feel like we've got a lot of pink going on, and I just feel like the black will complement the eyeliner really well. Okay, now I'm going to put some setting spray on. So this is what the makeup is looking like. Okay, so now I'm going to put on my wig and then I will show you the final look. Okay, so this is the final look with the wig. I've also just added some sunglasses on my head because I was working on this wig yesterday and it's still a little bit bumpy on the top of the head. We're just gonna pretend that the wig actually looks good. But this is what the makeup looks like. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you prefer this shorter content or if you prefer my longer makeup tutorials, because I can make them more in depth or try new products if you'd want to see that. Also let me know down below what you think of this makeup look. Let me know what you're doing for Valentine's Day. I'll probably just be chilling at home, but I will definitely be scouting the supermarkets the day after for the discounted chocolate. But as always, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit that like button. Also make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you all next time with another video. Bye!